going on, Mr. Jim?
The owner.
Oh, what's happening, buddy?
Dale. Oh, check it out. Oh my goodness.
No, we're mini tub now.
And man, mini tub. Yeah. Oh my goodness. 335?
That's a 335 on there right now on a 10 inch, but it's going to have a 13 on it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And it's mini tub, 335, y'all. Gosh, dog. Oh yeah. But check out these seats. Did all the work itself. Check that out. Oh yeah. Let y'all know how dope these seats look. Please comment down there. Tell them how dope these seats look if you have not seen them.
Or how dope they're not.
Oh, I mean, don't even listen to that. Don't even listen to that. 'Cause those seats are some of the best ones that I've seen custom done. Yo, nice. And this bad boy is mini tub now. Rocking 335s on it. Oh yeah, and this is just the beginning of some of the dopest cars you're gonna see, Fox body wise, Mustang wise, ever. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. We are at the horsepower factory where there's a dyno challenge and all that good stuff going on. And I don't know if I'm gonna get a whole bunch of the dyno runs, but we will check out the actual Mustangs that are out here today. Well, let's get to it. Oh, look at here. Look at here. This the man everybody's challenging. At the track.
Coffee drinking?
Hey, this is the man to beat right here at the track.
I'm not the man to beat.
Yeah.
I gotta go A to B,
so
son.
Everybody's trying to knock him off his throne. You know, he's got challenger after challenger. And
we're just looking to have a good time.
Hey, that's it. It's just good fun, brother.
Have a good
Yeah,
fun.
that's good fun.
Stick shift friends.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Neo, man. Neo Mustangs. All right.
So, while we on camera, how did Buc-ee's go?
Dude, I didn't make it. I didn't make it.
Oh, you did?
I know.
It was like all excited. He's like, this will be the first time that Jim gets to see Buc-ee's.
It is. It was gonna be, but I had to drop the puppy off. Where the camera? There it is. I had to drop the puppy off somewhere at 7 o'clock. Missed our meeting that we're supposed to have. The drive to Buc-ee's with Brutal. Totally missed it.
He's like, I'm taking Jim Chambers the first time to Buc-ee's. And I'm like, really? I want to go to Buc-ee's, man.
Totally missed it. We're gonna have to do this again next year.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, because that's gonna be like a tradition sort of that we're gonna start doing.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
That's gonna be awesome, yeah.
I appreciate you for showing up, brother.
Hey man, I gotta come to this one. If I don't come to nothing, I'm coming to this one. Good gracious. I know y'all remember this one. He killed it in the burnout last year in front of Parkstone. He's done a lot more mods to this bad boy. He's second on the dyno. I'm definitely gonna try to get this one on the dyno. Now some major upgrades on that bad boy right there. So this thing is gonna be crazy. I know y'all know Todd, this bad boy.
What's up,
is
buddy?
everywhere. What's up, my man?
Not much.
Yeah. Woo, just looking good as always.
Didn't make too much out of it.
No,
Look at that bad boy right there.
What thing is my seat? Make mud.
That. Too good for that.
Sweaty ass.
The last time I was I like the tan, the chocolate. I wouldn't say chocolate, but like that.
Woo, woo. Check this bad boy out. Holly dash, all that.
Porsche has got two different leathers that they use. Dress.
There you go.
I got both valve cover. Which valve cover you got?
Hey, what's up, brother? You all right? Yeah, good to see you, man.
You too, man.
Yeah, check out these seats. I love the seats in this bad boy right here. They match the car to a T.
Where you going?
Going right there.
Okay, guys.
What y'all guys are going right here.
How about that?
Ain't nobody's up in front of me right there
Oh, no,
laying
you
down.
good.
Huh?
You good.
Alright. I didn't want nobody laying down up there relaxing.
foot-pounds of torque. Can I have Mark Turner up here, please? Round of applause! Actually, before we go any farther, real quick, shout out also to our sponsors, Late Model Restoration for sponsoring the dyno event and the full event, Stiflers and Hanlon Motorsports. Thank you to all those guys. Sorry. There you go. All right, so.
Does NA stand for nitrogen?
Hey, nobody ever even looked at that.
Yeah, he is.
First place, you have your choice of cash or any wheel kit. I'll look at that.
We're going to do the wheel kit.
Oh yeah,
We'll
baby.
do the wheel kit. There you go.
All right. Got the wheel kit.
So just FYI, he won his choice of any wheel kit from Late Model Restoration. Tell me that's not freaking epic. Shout out again to LMR, great sponsor of the event. Congratulations, bro. And now he gets to go try to win the stick shift shootout tomorrow.
Yeah.
No pressure. We had a lot of super powerful cars in Power Adder. Unfortunately, sometimes transmission combos don't work on the dyno, but we did have one that worked very well. Chris Franks. 1156 horsepower, gotta have it green S197. I mean, that's pretty epic. I mean,
That is pretty.
you gotta admit.
I admit it.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So, you have your choice. Cash money, any wheel and kit. Cash. Congratulations, Chris Franks!
Yeah.
Alright. So we need to do one for lowest overall horsepower. I feel like that's fair enough, right?
Where's Andrew at?
Andrew?
Yeah.
No. I think he's gone. Well, Mike Medley at 277 horsepower, but probably one of the better looking cars in the pretty good looking ride. So we'll catch up with him later. Guys, we're actually kind of early today, but we're going to kick off the pre-meet tonight around 5-ish. Live music, burnouts, barbecue, beer, food, cars, everything. So cool off a little bit, get some chill time, and we will see you at Parkstone Grill tonight around 5. Thanks everybody for coming out today.
All right, Horsepower Factory is a wrap. You see, Caleb gave away some prizes. Best NA, best power adder, and lowest horsepower. And everybody's happy, had a good time over here. Now we're finna go over to Parkstone Grill in about a couple hours and get something to eat.